So now we're going into another gentleman. It's actually quite a unique man. I'll never forget the first time that I met him. It was back at our old office, and so it was some sort of event or party. And I had a brief conversation, and he was the biggest skeptical person. Big skeptic. It's kind of like, I don't know if this thing's going to work. We'll see. That's the kind of attitude he had when he came in. Now, I understand, because the past hadn't really given him the best view of this sort of industry. So when he got started, he was someone who, he took some little steps, some baby steps at first, but then he really started to get into the community, into the culture. And when he really started to take leadership, he started stepping up, doing presentations. He actually flew out to St. Martin to go and support and to go out there and build his team during one of the expansion trips. And he started prospecting, and he really started to develop his team. He has some amazing rising stars that he's been coaching and mentoring. Now, this gentleman, is another man who I highly respect, and he's actually the gentleman who coordinated and planned and did everything for this boot camp. Here's yours. Red looks good on you. Newest diplomat. We'll get the other new diplomats to come up as well. Okay, we'll do it outside. Okay.
Speech.
So Brian, you want to say a quick word?
I just want to tell everyone that this really is an amazing business. It's something that everyone really needs to take very, very seriously. And I take it very seriously because I look at this as really the last opportunity for me to really do what I want to do and provide the lifestyle for my family. So I really do impress upon everyone to take it very seriously and give it all you got, because at the end of the day, you'll have anything that you want in life. So that's it.
Okay, folks, we got to fly now. Thank you so much. Congratulations to all the new diplomats. Folks, thank you. All